And we find a place where silence prevails. And we go deeply inward. What is so special about a place like this? Why should we find this silence? And so what if it takes a little bit of hard work to get on that place? But it's unbelievable once you get there. Because then, once you've found this place, you realize that indeed there is still complete silence in this world. And this is what the Lord Buddha refers to when he says, try to find a quiet place to meditate. It doesn't matter if it takes you some time, and it doesn't matter if it takes you some effort. It is here that complete silence is found, away